Hello people, I'm Zoltria, and today we're making an origami lotus. This lotus was my own design, but there could be more of these out there because it's pretty simple to make actually. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a square piece of paper. Let's take this corner here and put it down to this corner. Pretty simple. Now let's take this corner and put it down to this corner. Remember, the more neater you do it, the better it'll come out in the end, because if it's not neat, then it might turn out pretty scrappy. Next, we're going to take this edge here and fold it up to this edge. Okay, next we're going to unfold that and fold this edge onto this edge. It's simpler like this because you could use these creases to line them up with the other side, making it just that little bit more neater. Okay, now that we have that, you want to make sure that all the creases are seeable, because if you can't see them, you might be in for a bit of trouble. Okay, next we're going to take this corner here and put it into the center. These sides here, you could use them as guidelines to get them perfectly in the center. Remember, side lines as the guidelines from last episode. And we'll do that with every corner. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is turn this over and fold these corners into the center, kind of like the start of a chatterbox. Now, we want to do this with all corners. Now what we want to do is turn this over again and take these corners and bring them up to the top. You could use this corner to make it a bit more neater. And you want to do this with all four sides again. Okay, now we want to take these corners here and bring them to the center again. And this time, I'm going to take these corners, so flip it over, and take these corners and bring them up. Okay, good. Now make sure that all these creases fold in very well. Okay, now you want to take these corners, and you see how this is like that, and bring it closer to you. You want to put these so that these will open up like this. And then you'll take your thumbs and just squish it open. Make sure that these lines are pretty straight. And it should go up automatically, kind of like that. When you take these off, you see these creases that we've made before? These creases should be where the edge would end up when you turn them up. And you want to do this with all sides. Okay, good. Now what we're going to do is do the same, but kind of into the center. So we want to put these ones, fold these up. And I want to do the same. So bring it up close. Take these flaps and use the creases as the edges. Just bring it up kind of like that. You want to do this to every corner. Okay, good. Now that we've done with that, we kind of got the bases. As you can see here, they're looking pretty similar. So all we gotta do is pretty simple, actually. We'll take these things and put them all into the center. So all of these corners around the outside, bring them into the center, kind of like this. And after you bring them in the center, feel free to let them go. And they should have creases that make the paper kind of go up, kind of like that. You see this one on the edges here, they kind of go up. You want that to happen with this one. And now I want to do the same with the inner ones. We bring all these small triangles here and bring them up or down. Now we're almost finished. We have our bases, and now all we're missing is that center little touch. We'll take these flaps here and bring them all up. And congratulations, you've got yourself an origami lotus. You see, it looks pretty good, and it's a pretty good decoration. I use this one to put on a letter because it looks very pretty. Just put some glue tack, something on the back, and stick it on the letter. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned a lot and enjoyed. See you later.